We're looking at, we have developed some career-ready competencies. So some things that students need in order to take the next step in having a successful career. We've developed a set of competencies as well as definitions for those competencies and behavioral indicators for those competencies. So what does it look like for students or people in general that are learning these competencies and advancing in their skills? And so our next step in this project is to help faculty to use those and to see that you're already doing a lot of this in your classes. You're already covering a lot of these competencies. And our thought is that your students just don't see that. They don't realize how much they're learning, and that we could do a better job of communicating to them all of the great information that they're getting from this class and all of the things that they're learning. So the goal of this AI prompt that I have developed is to help you to look at your coursework, your assignments, your student learning objectives, your syllabus, and try to match that with, so what you're already doing, don't do anything extra, look at what you're already doing and match it up to these competencies. And then it generates multiple ways that you could potentially communicate those competencies to your students, either as part of the assignment instructions or as part of your syllabus. So this is built as Peggy talked about, in the Copilot, UTA's Copilot. So we have already entered into UTA's Copilot a big document that has, like I was talking about, what are the competencies, what are the behavioral indicators, definitions, our view of a model of career-ready skills. All of that's already in Copilot. So you don't have to enter any of it. It's there. If you're using UTA's version of Copilot, it knows all of that. So all you have to do then is give it your syllabus or an assignment or whatever you want to evaluate, and this prompt. So on the next slide is the prompt, and I've given that also as a Word document. Hopefully they can link just so you can copy and paste it into Copilot. But this is the prompt, and it just says, please look at this syllabus, compare it to UTA's career readiness competency model, and give me 3 implementation options of how I can communicate to students what career ready skills that they are getting in this class. It has some information about formatting and all of that kind of stuff. So you can, this again is just a Word document. You can copy and paste into Copilot and change it however you want. Once you start playing with it, if there's different things you want, you can absolutely change this. But this works pretty well.